Hello. Now for adding this type of breadcrumb, you need to add one button in which you can add this breadcrumb, and you have to make it to collapse at certain points so that it won't show on the larger screens. So back to my editor, right in the div of navbar header, we have to add one button right here, and the type of the button will be type as well, and the class will be the navbar toggle class, because we want to add the toggle menu and we want to collapse at certain points. Then we need to add the data dash toggle, correcting toggle right here as well, and we need to make it to collapse at certain breakpoints. Now remember that whenever you see the data in the bootstrap, it means that we are getting some JavaScript functionality from this file of bootstrap.min.js. So this data belongs to some JavaScript code that lies in this JavaScript file. So we also have to target the items which we want to be collapsed. So for data target, we have to define one ID here. So let's make it to next line. So I'm gonna give it ID of collapse. Now right in this button, we need to add these lines, these breadcrumb lines, 3 lines. So in this button, we are going to add the span tag, and first of all we are going to use the bootstrap class. So when this website is going to be for screen readers, then they will see, instead of toggle menu, they will see some text. So they will see the text to be toggle navigation in case the screen readers are accessing our site. Now right after, if there is no screen readers, we can add the span tag and add the bootstrap class of icon bar. So we need 3 lines. These are the icons, they have 3 icon bars. So this is it for this button. Now we added this button for now, and you can see we are targeting some specific ID of collapse. So now it's time we should enclose the things which we want to be collapsed inside this toggle menu. So I want to add all of the UL and LIs. So I have to add one div right here, and this will have the class of collapse, and we want to collapse our navbar collapse class. And now we have to mention the exact ID for which we added this toggle menu, and this ID is collapse. So adding it right here. Now for ending of this div, we have to add all of these UL, LIs, and also the form inside this div, this one. Now if I save this one and refresh my page, now you can see we got this toggle menu. If I click on this one, you can see we are getting these fields. So at certain points, this toggle menu is going to be completely vanished from the screen. So if I resize it, you can see that it's going to appear at certain points. So it's appearing right here. I can open these items and close this one. And also, if you can notice that at certain points this search bar is behind these menu items, so we can make it up by doing some extra classes of bootstrap in which we can make this search bar to be show different behavior according to different certain points, breakpoints. So I'm not going to do that because it's gonna make this project lot more difficult for you to understand in case if you are completely new to Bootstrap. So let's leave this navigation bar as it is.